Hi guys, how are you? In today's video, I will show you how to save battery in iPhone. Let's begin. So, batteries in iPhone can easily be reduced or consumed when there's so much apps that's using it. In my own observation, just me, okay? How I do that is I will show you, how to pretty much, look at your battery life by, just going to settings app and then choose battery. So from battery, you will be able to see here, what are the apps that's pretty much consuming your battery life. I noticed that if I'm using TikTok, if I'm using Waze, if I'm using Spotify, like these are most of the apps that I feel, again, that's just my opinion. They're consuming like a lot of my battery if I use that a lot. So for me to save, I just need to make sure that I really exit or either turn that off. Sometimes, if I'm not really using my phone, I'm on airplane mode, or I'm not really using an app just to make sure that I'm optimizing the battery, especially if I'm not bringing any chargers with me. However, there's actually a way for you to save your battery by just toggling this one, guys. Just choose low power mode. If you're gonna be doing this, your phone automatically turns your iPhone, like for example, the screen will just automatically turns off if you're not using it. Rather than just having the screen turning on all the time to save your battery. And then you will notice also the changes when you actually toggle that. The battery icon at the upper right of the screen would turn yellow, so that means you are on low power mode. If you are already on iOS 16, you could already see an option here that says battery percentage, where it would show the number there at the upper at the upper right, to tell what's the percentage of your battery. And then I can just turn it off because I think this is also consuming my battery. Again, that's just me. But anything that's an app or anything that's a movement on my iPhone, like I don't want to use it for me to save my battery. So there, I hope that gives you like a tip today on how to save your battery life. If you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.